YSRCP's Jagan Mohan Reddy has conceded defeat. Congratulates Chandrababu Naidu, who now will be taking oath as the Chief Minister for Andhra Pradesh. In fact, he also extends his congratulatory messages to BJP as well as Pawan Kalyan for this whopping mandate. Jagan says, and I quote, "I don't know what went wrong for us, but I sincerely served the people. I ensured throughout my term that I gave the voice to the voiceless." This is Jagan Mohan Reddy, who managed just one term, and the next round it appears that the TDP, Janasena and the BJP tango have come together to give the YSRCP a real crushing defeat. Jagan Mohan Reddy congratulating the winners. Listening.
మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడి నుంచి గుండె ధైర్యంతో నిలబడి మళ్ళీ లేస్తాం. ప్రతిపక్షంలో ఉండడం కొత్త కాదు, పోరాటాలు చేయడం అంతకన్నా కొత్త కాదు. నా రాజకీయ జీవితం అంతా కూడా ప్రతిపక్షంలోనే గడిపా. ఈ 5 సంవత్సరాలు తప్ప పోరాటాలే చేశా. రాజకీయ జీవితంలో ఎవడు చూడని కష్టాలు కూడా అనుభవించా. ఇప్పుడు అంతకన్నా కష్టాలు ఏదైనా పెట్టినా కూడా సిద్ధంగా ఉన్నాం, సిద్ధంగా ఎదుర్కొంటాం. All the very best government like వచ్చిన వాళ్ళకు. Thank you.
All right, that's Jagan Mohan Reddy, the current incumbent Chief Minister, giving his congratulatory messages to Chandrababu Naidu. Akshita Nandagopal has been on the ground tracking the celebrations at the TDP office, and she's currently... Akshita, over to you. Where are you currently? At YSRCP presser, we heard Jagan Mohan Reddy just congratulating Chandrababu Naidu. Tell us more.
That's right. You've got Jagan Mohan Reddy finally conceding defeat. He's yet to submit his resignation to the governor, however, Nabila. I'm at the TDP office where you had Chandrababu Naidu turning up here. But while there was supposed to be a scheduled press conference and the setup was entirely done, he only came and greeted his supporters and the press conference has been called off. And it's led to endless speculation on why exactly Chandrababu Naidu right now isn't willing to interact with the media, and of course at a time when there have been endless questions about whether he's going to stick to the NDA or not. But let me show you around what's happening. You can see a sea of yellow all around me. I almost feel like I'm at a CSK match, but you can see that TDP supporters have gathered in large numbers here. The TDP leadership is currently inside in a very crucial meeting, which is why you see so many supporters also gathered right now. Jagan Mohan Reddy, meanwhile, who's lost and how, if you look at the numbers, really, he's been wiped out essentially, which is why you saw him getting rather emotional there. You see it playing on the TV screens there as TDP workers are celebrating the fact that Jagan Mohan Reddy looked like he was ready to break down. Emotional, speaking about all that he's done for Andhra Pradesh, saying, "I don't know what went wrong, I don't know how this happened, but the mandate of the people is very, very clear here." Let's continue showing you what's happening around. You can see all of the supporters waiting there right now because Mr. Naidu is expected to come out. He's become, of course, now set to take oath as the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh on Sunday at 11:53 a.m. exactly is when he will be sworn in as the next Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. So his security has doubled here. People gathering in large numbers just to catch a glimpse now of the superstar of Andhra Pradesh, the comeback king of Andhra right now. Mr. Chandrababu Naidu is here, which is what's leading to this massive frenzy also at the TDP office. The YSRCP office, a stark contrast on the other hand, because over there you've got not a soul as emotional Jagan conceded defeat.
Akshita, I would definitely like to ask you on what grounds has the people of Andhra Pradesh completely voted out Jagan Mohan Reddy.